The whole world is, in the vision of Buddhism, like music. If you think that the world is going somewhere, that there are certain things that are supposed to happen, and there are certain things that are supposed not to happen, you never see the way it's like music. Music has no destination. We don't play it in order to get somewhere. If that were the way, the best orchestras would be those who got to the end of the piece the fastest. Music is a pattern which we listen to and enjoy as it unfolds. In the same way, where's the water going? Where do the leaves go? Where are the clouds going? They're not going anywhere. Because all nature understands that the point of the whole thing is to be here. To be wide awake to the now that's going on. So when you listen to music, you don't try to hold in your memory what has passed, nor to think about what's coming. You listen to the pattern as it unfolds. And so watch it as it moves now. It's a dance. And dancing is like music. For when you dance just to dance. You don't aim at a particular place on the floor that is the destination of the dance. You listen to the music and you move your body with it, just as at the moment your eyes are following the patterns of the water. Your eyes, they know they're not going anywhere. The idea that there's something that ought to happen, that is a purpose to it all, is just words, just a thought in your mind. And in order to see all this, you have to stop thinking. If you were to hear what anyone else has to say, you sometimes have to stop talking. And thinking is just talking inside your head. So if you're going to have anything to think about, you sometimes have to stop thinking. Just as if you're going to have anything to talk about, you sometimes have to stop talking and listen. And the secret of the Buddhist view of life is to spend some time every day in which you don't think but just watch, in which you don't form any ideas about life, but look at it, listen to it, smell it, feel it. When you don't try to cling to it, as if it was something different from you, then your whole life has about it the sensation of flowing like water.